Hello friends and family, this is Erica. Welcome to my channel. Today I look forward to sharing with you these simple yet elegant touches to get you into your own fall groove. As we inch closer to Thanksgiving, I wanted to create these projects as reminders of a few little things I'm thankful for. My supplies for today came from the Dollar Tree, a local thrift store, and an upcycle of candle holders that used to be my daughter's. All of these items put together form what you see here. I love these projects so much, I already know where I want to display them when I decorate for Thanksgiving. They are all easy to make, budget-friendly designs with a high-end look that will add warmth and texture to your existing decor. I hope you enjoyed today's journey with me, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed and that you click the bell so that you get notified each week when I post a new video. That being said, let's jump right into our projects. We're going to begin by spray painting the frames of two of our projects. This is the first frame. I got it at a thrift store half off of the $4 price tag. It's a large frame that is plastic, but when we're done, it will look like a high-end decor piece. It didn't come with any glass or backing, and that's okay. Those things aren't needed for this project. That should allow you to find a cheap frame, hopefully at a thrift store near you. The second frame is 9 by 12 inches, which is an odd size, but I knew it would work for this. I also got this at a local thrift store for 75% off of the $5 price tag. I thought that was great, especially seeing as the original price tag of almost $17 was still attached. After removing the packaging, the glass, and the backing, I took both frames outside to be painted using this aged copper spray paint by Rustoleum. I gave the frames 2 coats. This is me giving them their final coat. And this is the result of the frames with their new shade of copper. Set aside the larger frame. Now, along with the 9 by 12 frame, I used this Dollar Tree square for a ruler, a piece of 12 by 12 cork scrapbook paper from Michael's, a marker, scissors, and the glass and backing that came with the frame. Also, you can either create a document like the one I made here, which lists some of the things that I love about fall, or leave me a comment below and I will gladly get you a soft copy of the one that you see here so you can print it for yourself at home. Using your ruler, make 1-inch marks on each corner like this. Then, connect the points to make a border. Depending on your frame size, you'll want to make your border larger or smaller. Once you've connected all the lines, cut out the inside lines only to form a border template. Once I have my border template ready, it's time to trace it and cut it out using the cork paper. As easy as that, we have our textured border done. The next step is to clean the glass, making sure there aren't any pieces of lint left behind. Put the glass back inside of the frame. Using the glue stick, add glue to the cardboard. Adhere the printout to the center and then apply more glue, focusing on the outside edges only. Apply the border and press down gently. Add the backing to the frame. And in the end, you get this simply beautiful list of your favorite things about fall to bring a smile to your face. Next, get the large frame that we painted earlier. You'll also need some chicken wire, I got mine at Walmart, and a pair of wire cutters. Next, you'll measure and cut your chicken wire to fit your frame. Once you've cut it and made sure it'll fit, you'll need jumbo popsicle sticks. Now, I lost the footage for the part where I hot glued the jumbo craft sticks around the frame to hold the chicken wire in place. However, on this footage, you can see what I did. I held the chicken wire in place the best I could, and then I used hot glue on each stick, holding it down on the chicken wire and frame until it was no longer warm. Once your edges are secure, this will be the result. Next, you'll need these 2 Dollar Tree pumpkin signs. If you aren't able to find these, you can use foam board from Dollar Tree and cut out your own pumpkin shapes to add to your frame. The next thing we need to do is remove the metal leaves. I used a blade to pick up the edges, and eventually I just sort of bent it back and forth until it came off. You'll also need this thankful sign from Dollar Tree and 2 more scrapbook papers. I chose a gray faux fabric and a different type of corkboard paper. You'll also need a matte spray paint. I used the color Mink because it goes with our home decor, but I also think it's a great neutral warm gray that could fit in with a variety of decor styles. So I took the pumpkins outside and spray painted their stems and leaves with the same copper paint I used on the frames. Then I painted the thankful sign with 2 good coats of the matte paint in Mink. Once your thankful sign is dry, it's time to cut craft sticks to adhere the word onto the chicken wire. I cut the sticks to roughly fit the vertical lines of the letters. You'll see what I mean as you watch this part. The end result of all those pieces is that your thankful sign will be solidly adhered to the chicken wire. Now let's finish the pumpkins to add to our frame. You'll want to get out your scrapbook paper. I used the gray faux fabric and the larger grain cork paper for these pumpkins. Use your pumpkin to trace the shape onto your scrapbook paper. Cut carefully and then glue it onto your pumpkin. I found that it works best if you use a glue stick all over and then a bit of hot glue around the edges. We'll repeat this process with the other pumpkin. When both are covered and the leaves are attached, it's time to attach them to the chicken wire. Then flip over your frame, and I use these little risers to hold the pumpkins up a little bit more so that it wouldn't pull the chicken wire down all the way to the table. If that makes sense, it just helped to have something like a riser or book underneath the pumpkins when you're doing this part, so that way they will not pull the chicken wire down. So next we're going to glue the craft sticks to hold the pumpkins in place. And that, my friends, is all you need to complete this project. Now, before we admire all of the projects together, I wanted to include this quick little upcycle project. My daughter gave me these Bath & Body Works candle holders when she got tired of them. They didn't really fit in with my decor, but when I saw how gorgeous this aged copper spray paint looked on the frames, I just knew I wanted to paint those candle holders also. After just 2 easy coats, here is the result. I hope you've enjoyed DIYing with me today. Let me know that you liked the video by giving me a thumbs up. Each and every like you give helps to support me and my channel. In the comments below, tell me which project was your favorite and let me know how you'll be celebrating Thanksgiving this year. Also, don't forget, if you want a PDF copy of the Things I Love About Fall printout, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Please be sure to subscribe and click the bell to set your notifications. That way, you'll be notified every week when I upload a new video. Thanks for your support, friends and family. You mean the world to me.